Hey guys, welcome to Sandland Sleep's YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to use our Stay Asleep product. First, we'll talk about what it's for, then when to take it, and what to expect. Stay Asleep is made for folks who wake up at unwanted times throughout the night. This can be really frustrating. Stay Asleep is a time-release tablet, which means that it works by slowly being digested by your system throughout the night. It will kick in after an hour or so and last up to 6 hours. Take 1 to 2 pills an hour before bed. If you're just starting out, we recommend 1 pill, but no more than 2 per night. Now for what to expect. Stay Asleep will start to take an effect after you've fallen asleep. In a perfect world, you won't ever feel Stay Asleep, you'll just feel more rested the next day. Key ingredients are CBN, melatonin, and peppermint. The role of our main ingredient, CBN, is to keep your body calm and sleepy. It does this by linking with your internal endocannabinoid system and provides that magical feeling that encourages REM and deep sleep. CBN will time release throughout the night to make sure your body focuses on rest and doesn't wake you up. Stay Asleep will typically last 4 to 6 hours, so if you take it an hour before bed, you shouldn't have any groggy feelings in the morning. Oh, by the way, it's important to note that our products are not hardcore sedatives and won't chemically knock you out. Instead, they're aimed at getting you real lasting sleep help, and that can retrain your body's circadian sleep rhythm. Over time, the goal is not to need our products anymore. That might seem counterintuitive, but our definition of success is actually helping people become good sleepers, which at the end of the day, for some, could mean that they don't need Sandland anymore. And that's all right with us. Thank you for trusting us to regain a better sleep routine.